Okay children, let us learn how to measure the line segment, the given line segment, and how to draw a line segment. Let us learn these two things. Now, suppose I have a line segment, say AB. There is a line segment given here. Now, we need to measure how long is this line segment is. So, generally what do we use, children, to measure the lines? Tell me. Exactly. We will be using the tool scale from your geometry box to measure the line or line segment. Alright. Now, see, I have drawn a scale, the replica of a scale on the board. Okay. Now, let us learn how to measure this line segment. Okay. Now, see the starting point and ending point. A line has both. A line segment has both starting point as well as ending point. Now, place the starting point of the scale on this starting point of the line segment. The starting point of the scale should be on this point, and let us see where this ending point showing the measurement. Now see, if I see here, my point is showing here. It means 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. So what is the measurement of this line segment? 4.3 centimeters. Now if you see on the scale, children, okay, see, it starts with 0 and the small lines, whatever the small lines you can see on the scale, those are millimeters. The small lines on the scale denotes the millimeter, and this long which I mark with the number, those are centimeters. The small lines on your scale represents millimeters, and the numbers that I mark, that represents the centimeters. Now if you find between 0 to 1, how many lines do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 0 to 1, we have 10 small lines. It means 1 centimeter is nothing but 10 millimeters. So 10 millimeters will make 1 centimeter. Got it, children? Now here, after 4, we have this line. So 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. This is how we measure the line segment. The starting point of the scale, it should be on the starting point of the line segment, and see the ending point shows which measurement on the scale. Got it? Now let us take other line segment. Alright. Okay. Now this is a line segment that has both starting and ending point x, y. Now we need to measure this line segment x, y. Now if you see this x, y line segment, starting point, the scale should be placed on this, and where this ending point is being shown, children. Now see, 4, 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9. So the measurement of this line segment is 4.9 centimeters. Got it, children? This is how we measure the length of the given line segment. Now let us learn how to draw the line segment when the measurement is given. Okay? Now to draw or to measure a line segment or a line, generally we use the scale. Got it, children? Now, I have line segment AB as 6 centimeters. Now, I have to draw the line segment AB whose measurement is 6 centimeters. Now, first take your scale, place it on your notebook. First, mark the starting point using the scale. Okay, like when you are placing the scale here, mark its starting point at 0 first. Alright, now mark the measurement 6. On your scale, there is a measurement shown 6. There you are going to mark its ending point. Now we have marked first starting point and then the ending point. Now let us join those 2 points. So what are we doing? We are joining these 2 points, that is A, B, whose measurement is 6 centimeters. Before you draw a line using a scale, first mark the starting point and mark its ending point. What will be the ending point of that scale? Given measurement. What is the measurement given here? 6. So near this 6, the ending point is marked. And using the scale, you are drawing the straight line. That is nothing but your line segment, 6 centimeters. Got it, children? Now, let us take the other length. Okay, let us take in fractions. XY is equal to 7.5 centimeters. 7.5 centimeters in the sense, children, 7 centimeters and half centimeter. Half centimeter in the sense, I have said you 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. Now half centimeter in the sense it is 5 millimeters. It means 7.5 centimeters is nothing but 7.5 centimeters. Got it? Now first near the 0, once you place the scale in your notebook, first what are we going to do? We are going to mark the starting and ending point. The starting point will be always 0. What will be the ending point? The given measurement, 7.5. So 7 is here. After that 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7.5. This will be my ending point. Now let us join these 2 starting and ending points. That is your line segment XY whose measurement is 7.5 centimeters. That's it. So this is how using the scale we are measuring the given line segment and we are drawing a given line segment with the given measurement. That's it. Very simple, children. Okay. So hope you understood what we learned in this class today. We learned about the point. Point is nothing but a dot. A simple dot is nothing but a point. And we use the alphabets to name the point. A point has no length, no height and no breadth. It has no measurement, first of all. And it is the basic unit of geometry. Alright. And using one point, using a point we can draw countless, infinite number of lines. Got it, children? Then coming to line, line is formed by a set of points, an uncountable set of points. And line is also named using the alphabets. And a line has the arrow mark on either side. It says that the length of the line can be extended in both the directions. It can be increased in both the directions. The arrow marks of the line represents that the length of the line can be increased in both the directions. Okay. Similarly, we will be using the points to name the line. What are we using the points as? Alphabets. We will be using the alphabets to name the line. So to name the line AB, what is the symbol we will be using it? With the arrow marks. Got it? And if you take any part of a line, that is called as the line segment. Any part of a line is called as the line segment. A line segment has end point as well as starting point. It has starting point and ending point. And the length of the line segment cannot be extended. It is fixed because it has no arrow marks. Got it, children? And ray. Ray is also a part of line. But a ray has starting point but it has no ending point. Instead, the other side of the ray they are marking with an arrow. It means in which direction the arrow is being marked, in that direction itself we can increase the length of the ray. Got it, children? So in which direction the arrow mark till that time, stay safe. Bye-bye.